And that's Andreas behind the camera. Over here is Kyra taking a picture. So we've got a double shot on this one here. Just wanted to bring you up to date with what's going on. These, I finally finished 95% of the painting. And we've got it all polished up today. We've got, next, we had our friend Billy Bob Joe Jack, or Bill Marigold, probably the world's most versatile and, I think, one of the best pinstripers in the world. Can do anything. He does all the little Bestionis he's done for us. He's done all of the shields and the special gold, whatever the hell you want, he can do it. So anyway, just to show you where we're at on it, all the panels are on, all of these badges on here are participation awards for Pebble Beach. I have 5 on each side, plus I've got, that's 10, I think I got 2 or 3 more. So we probably got 13, 14 awards for Pebble Beach going there. And these are all the little things that are going on so we can show you. We got the door on, we got this panel on here. We've got to make everything work for you. We're still, we're just temporarily putting this on, but then it's getting on and it's going to stay on. Now we're going to go to the other side, and you'll see we'll be putting on the headlights. I'm going to have to paint the damn things like 4 times. The weather has been absolutely horrible. Gets too cold. If it's too cold, it doesn't work. And then I got to sand it down. So I'm getting very strong from sanding all this crap. Anyway, it's coming along quite well. We just wanted to show you where it's fitting in now. Here's the other side. And oh, here's 1, 2, 3 more Pebble Beach badges. 4 Pebble Beach badges. 5. Sorry, we have quite a few of them. Anyhow, we've been doing this for a while, but aren't these beautiful? Friend was over here the other day and he said, my God, it looks like a big red locomotive. And from the nose on this thing, as you can see, it does. It kind of looks like a train. It's as damn near as big as one.
Get in front of it. Get in front of it to see.
Yeah, I mean, you can see. Notice how nicely I'm dressed. We wear nothing but our best seersucker when we're doing this crap. But look at the size of this thing. I'm about 5'10". I shrunk an inch or so. I used to be 5'11", but so 5'10". And I used to have hair higher too. What the hell? Anyway, this is it. This will give you an idea. You think this is bad. Now take a look when I get next to the steering wheel. Is this something? This is Big Bad Red. And this is a beautiful Tuesday, the 16th of March, and this makes our day right now. We're going to go in and fix a Batman or 2. See you, friends.